5 events in on the Season 13 Championship. But now, we have to focus on the Showdown. The Season 13 Showdown is here. Today, we have 5 newcomers coming to compete in this league. They are Bubble Bashers, Toxic Titans, Stellar Squad, Team Plague, and Team Scotland. They will compete in the Gravitrax race. You see our first team? You see all the members there? Toxic Titans, Earths, Team Scotland, and Bubble Bashers. We'll kick us off and the Showdown's off. Earths is in front. But they're for the third. But no! Whoever's and there you go! Earths and Team Scotland. Bubble Bashers and Toxic Titans. They will not advance here in the first heat. You see our second heat? There they are. Lollipops, Dune Drones, Summer Skies, and Stellar Squad. One of the newcomers. And Summer Skies are in front. Dune Drones and Lollipops in second. Oh! Whoa! What a comeback from Summer Skies to get into second. I don't think that was even intended. Lollipops and the Stellar Squad. Actually, I'm pretty sure that was supposed to be sabotage, but didn't really work out in their favour. Here we go. Third heat. Team Plague. Fireworks. Carl Weaves, surprisingly. And Sweet and Sours. Carl Weaves. What a fall from grace this is. They have never been down here before, and they have just been eliminated. Team Plague and Sweet and Sours will both be going home. That is not good. Coral Weaves. This will be sad if they get relegated. And here's our final heat. Skeletons, Zebras, Circus Clowns, and Team Horizon, who are making a comeback this season. They would love to advance here, but unfortunately that is not going to happen. Skeletons and Zebras, they will not advance. And there's 9-16, Circus Clowns dead last. That is just not good for them. But hey, Bubble Bashers and Toxic Titans, though, they get best of the West. So, I know they're not failures. But here we go. Semi-final 1. Summer Sky, Zebras, Skeletons, and Dune Drones. And Summer Skies are in front. Looks like those two will be... Oh, Skeletons! Come out of nowhere and eliminate Summer Skies and Dune Drones. The Zebras and Skeletons moving to the final. Here's our second heat. Sweet and Sours, Team Plague, Zebras, and Team Scotland. And we're off. And it'll be Team Plague and Sweet and Sours who advance to the finals. And there you go. 5th through 8th. Team Scotland will actually get 5th, so that's actually good for them. But you see, here we go. The finals. Sweet and Sours, Zebras, Team Plague, and Skeletons. Who win the first goal of the Showdown? And we are. Sweet and Sours are in front. Zebras are now challenging them. Well, whoa! Team Plague! They will get the gold! Team Plague comes out of nowhere and wins the gold. You see the overall standing. Those will be the first standings for the Showdown. Next time we'll be back for the block bumping event. So We will see you then. Until then, signing off for now.